In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur video in Clipchamp. Now, first of all, I'm going to teach you how to blur a video individually and how to blur a specific portion of a video. So, first of all, to blur a video, what you want to do is you want to click on the video itself and you want to go over to the right here, and you'll probably be on audio. You want to go down to effects. Now, there's a section here called blur. There's also one called glass, which is a slightly different effect, but it looks similar. Go to blur here. Now, you can turn the blur down or up depending on how blurry you want it. You can see, there we go, that's the bottom blur, and then this is all the way to the top. Now that's pretty simple if you just want to blur the whole image, but let's say you want to blur a portion of the image. What we're going to do, I'm going to just undo this. Give me a second. Here we go. Let's say we just want to blur this corn here, like this. What we can do is we can right click here and we can duplicate this. Now I want to drag it on top so it's in the exact same spot, so it overlaps it and it's the exact same time. That's important. So now what we can do is we can use this tool here, the crop tool, and we can crop the part that we want to blur. So let's say we want to do this bar here. We don't want them to see the options here for some weird reason. We can crop this here and we can hit that button there. So now this image here is just this, and the image below has the full thing. So now if we click blur, you can see that it's blurred out this. Now we can increase this or decrease it depending on what we want, and if it doesn't quite fit, we can change the crop to make it slightly larger, so it'll blur a little bit more of it. Hit enter, and then you see here, you see that it's blurred out this bar here. Now you could do this if you wanted to blur out, say, your name or something like that. It's a pretty useful thing to do. Another thing this is useful with is that if you wanted to blur like a portion of a video, you can just cut this down here so it goes to here like this, and you can see it's blurred and then it unblurs it there. So if you need to blur like a specific scene or something like that, then you can do that with this kind of method. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.